Hi, I'm Conlon Meek, and this is the 100-watt Core solar system from Voltaic. Core is built to power cameras, cellular routers, gateways, environmental monitors, and more. It's designed around three main beliefs: fast and simple installation, long lifetime in the field, and easy remote monitoring. Today we're going to install it. Thanks. So starting with the bracket, the BK110 reduces assembly time by using captive nuts. So all you need's an Allen key. There's no wrench required to hold the nut on the inside. The bracket comes mostly pre-assembled, so we just need to attach the C-channel to the L bracket, 2 screws each side, top and bottom, and then set the angle with 2 more screws on the crossbar. The V107 is a 100 amp hour or 760 watt hour integrated LFP battery. It only weighs 19 pounds. It's rated for 2,000 full cycles or many more partial cycles in the field. It installs easily right on the bracket and has durable waterproof connectors, so no enclosures required. Next, we attach the 100-watt panel to the bracket using Z-clamps. These have springs and a locking mechanism to make the panel really easy to mount. And they eliminate part drops. Last step, we simply plug in the output cable to turn the battery on, plug in our end device here, connect the solar panels. The output is 12 volts by default, but can be configured to 5 volts, 24 volts, or PoE. Once deployed, you can monitor the health of the battery using either the RS485 Modbus interface or our cellular module. If you scan here, your installer can see instantaneous power in and out of the battery, voltage, temperature, and more. Altogether, this is the 100-watt Core system. Please reach out to sales@voltaicsystems.com, and thank you for watching.